A brief history of the encounters in which these Indian tanks were captured was displayed near them. Each and every story told us about the bravery of our soldiers who fought for the country. As mentioned before, one of the galleries was named Rebirth of the Nation. I was surprised to see life-size portraits of the Quaid-e-Azam addressing the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan on August 11, 1947. This gallery was telling a story of the struggle for freedom through paintings, photographs and brief information.